These little morsels hold in so much deliciousness while being nutrition superstars too.
Seriously, from antioxidant compounds like vitamin C and anthocyanins to essential nutrients like folate and fiber, strawberries are tiny powerhouses. That's why I love adding them to meals, including savory recipes like this strawberry salsa from Jones Family Farm in Shelton, Connecticut. So we are going to start with a bell pepper, and this is one of the easiest ways to prep your pepper and de-seed it. Simply cutting the lobes off the side around that center seed so that you don't get any seeds into your recipe. Once you have the sides off, you just remove the white membrane because it can be a little bitter and you don't want to add that flavor to your recipe. When working with a hot pepper, like a jalapeno pepper, keep in mind the more seeds you include in the recipe, the spicier it's going to be. Once you've hulled your strawberries, then you can finely chop them and add them with the bell peppers and jalapeno pepper. Now we're going to add lime juice and cilantro. And then you can add flavor with salt, which will help extract some of the juices, and buffer some of the acid with sugar. Let the salsa rest so the flavors can melt together, and then pair with your favorite tortilla chips or a lean protein source like chicken or fish. Celebrate your love for strawberries and get inspired with recipes on bigY.com. Until next time, be well.